Right now, somewhere in a small town in France, there is a man whose only job, his only job, is to listen to a Bugatti engine. Not fix it, not tune it, just listen. Because if that engine does not sound exactly the way a Bugatti is supposed to sound, that Bugatti does not leave the building. A single Bugatti engine is tested, torn apart, rebuilt, and tested again. Sometimes 4 or 5 times before Bugatti is satisfied. And that is just the engine. That is just one piece of a machine that costs more than most people's homes. And when you find out why a Bugatti costs what a Bugatti costs, you will never look at a house the same way again. Let us get something straight right now. A Bugatti is not expensive because some company in France wants to rob rich people. A Bugatti is expensive because what goes into building a Bugatti is so extreme, so obsessive, so completely over the top that the price tag actually starts to make sense. And that is the scary part, because once you understand what Bugatti does to build a single Bugatti, you realize that Bugatti might actually be undercharging. Let us start with the body, because the body of a Bugatti is not made from steel. The body of a Bugatti is not made from aluminium. The body of a Bugatti is made from carbon fiber, and not just any carbon fiber. Bugatti develops its own carbon fiber. Bugatti weaves its own carbon fiber in-house, layer by hand. A single body panel on a Bugatti can take weeks to complete. Weeks for one panel. And every single panel on a Bugatti has to be absolutely flawless. If there is a bubble, if there is a wrinkle, if there is even the slightest imperfection in the weave, Bugatti throws it away. Gone. Start over. Because Bugatti does not do imperfection. Bugatti does not do close enough. Bugatti does perfection, or Bugatti does nothing. Now let us talk about that engine, because the engine inside a Bugatti is not just an engine. The engine inside a Bugatti is a work of art that also happens to produce over 1500 horsepower. The Bugatti Chiron runs on an 8-litre quad turbocharged W16 engine. Let that sink in. 16 cylinders. 4 turbochargers, 8 litres of displacement, and Bugatti hand builds every single one of these engines. Every single Bugatti engine is assembled by hand by a team of specialists who do nothing else but build Bugatti engines. Not car engines, Bugatti engines. These are people who have dedicated their careers to one machine and one machine only, the Bugatti. And the assembly of a single Bugatti engine takes nearly a week. One engine, 1 week. And if something is off by even a fraction of a millimeter, that engine gets torn down and rebuilt from scratch. Because inside a Bugatti, there is no room for error. None. And the tyres? Oh, the tyres on a Bugatti are an engineering nightmare that most people have never even heard about. Because a Bugatti moves so fast, we are talking over 400 kilometers per hour, the tyres on a Bugatti have to withstand forces that would shred any normal tyre into confetti. Bugatti partnered with Michelin to develop tyres specifically for the Bugatti. These are not regular Michelin tyres. These are tyres that were engineered from the ground up exclusively for the Bugatti. And every single set of Bugatti tyres is X-rayed before they go on a Bugatti. X-rayed, like a hospital. Because at the speeds a Bugatti travels, a single flaw in a tyre could be catastrophic. So Bugatti X-rays every tyre to make sure there are no internal defects, no hidden air pockets, no structural weaknesses. Because when you are doing 400 kilometers per hour in a Bugatti, you need to know that every single component on that Bugatti is absolutely bulletproof. But here is where it gets truly insane. The paint. The paint on a Bugatti takes between 4 and 6 weeks to complete. Not days, weeks. Bugatti sands and polishes every layer of paint by hand. And if a customer orders a Bugatti with a 2-tone paint scheme, which many Bugatti customers do, the process gets even longer. Because each color on a 2-tone Bugatti has to be masked, sprayed, sanded, and polished separately. And the line where the 2 colors meet on a Bugatti, that line has to be razor sharp, absolutely perfect. Not a single bleed, not a single overlap. Bugatti spends days, sometimes over a week, just getting that single line right. One line on one car. Because that is the standard Bugatti holds itself to. A standard so high it borders on madness. Now, let us talk about the interior. Because the inside of a Bugatti is where things get personal. Bugatti offers its customers nearly unlimited customization. Want the stitching inside your Bugatti to match the exact shade of your wife's eyes? Bugatti will make that happen. Want a specific pattern embossed into the leather of your Bugatti that no other Bugatti in the world has? Done. Want the dashboard of your Bugatti machined from a single block of aluminium and then hand polished for days until it gleams like a mirror? Bugatti will do that without blinking. Every Bugatti that leaves the atelier in Molsheim, France is essentially a one-of-one creation. No two Bugatti cars are the same. Every Bugatti is unique. Every Bugatti is built to the exact specifications of its owner. And that level of personalization, that level of bespoke craftsmanship, takes an enormous amount of time, skill, and resources. And all of that gets built into the price of every Bugatti. But here is what truly separates Bugatti from everything else on the road. Bugatti does not mass produce cars. Bugatti does not have a giant factory pumping out thousands of units a year. Bugatti produces roughly 70 cars per year. 70. In a world where Toyota produces millions, Bugatti makes 70. And every single one of those 70 Bugatti cars is hand-assembled by a small team of specialists in a facility that looks more like a luxury boutique than a car factory. The floors are spotless. The lighting is perfect. The people who build a Bugatti wear white gloves. White gloves. Because Bugatti will not allow a single fingerprint on a single surface of a single Bugatti during the assembly process. That is the level of care Bugatti puts into every single Bugatti that rolls out of Molsheim. So when someone says a Bugatti costs more than a house, that is insane. The real question is it though? A house is built in a few months by a crew with power tools and blueprints. A Bugatti takes over 6 months to build, assembled by master craftsmen wearing white gloves. A house uses concrete and timber. A Bugatti uses hand-woven carbon fiber and a 16-cylinder engine that took a week to assemble. A house sits on a street. A Bugatti does over 400 kilometers per hour on tires that have been X-rayed for perfection. A house is a structure. A Bugatti is a masterpiece. And when you put it that way, when you line up what goes into a Bugatti against what goes into a house, the price of a Bugatti does not seem so crazy after all. If anything, a Bugatti makes the house look like the bargain. A Bugatti is not just a car that costs more than a house. A Bugatti is proof that when human beings decide to build something without limits, without compromise, without a single shortcut, the result is something that transcends price. A Bugatti is not bought. A Bugatti is earned. A Bugatti is experienced. And a Bugatti is remembered long after the house has been forgotten. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel right now, because we break down the most insane stories in the automotive world every single week, and trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next. Drop a comment below and tell us, if money was no object, would you buy the Bugatti or the house? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and we will see you in the next one.